Imagine a BMW so bold that it looks like it arrived from the future, blending the dominance of an SUV with the drama of a luxury coupe. That's exactly what the 2026 BMW X8 promises. And within the first few seconds of seeing it, you realize this isn't just another SUV. It's BMW's statement of ultimate power, luxury, and technology in one striking package. From the outside, the BMW X8 feels massive, confident, and intentionally aggressive. The front instantly grabs attention with an enlarged kidney grille that's cleaner and more sculpted than before, paired with ultra-slim adaptive LED and optional laser headlights that give it a sharp, predatory look. The hood is long and muscular, with deep character lines that hint at the power underneath. As you move to the side, the coupe-style sloping roofline defines the X8's identity, giving it a sporty silhouette despite its large size. Flush door handles, large alloy wheels that can go up to 23 inches, and strong shoulder lines make the SUV look planted and premium from every angle. At the rear, slim LED taillights stretch wide across the tailgate, while the sculpted bumper and quad exhaust set up on performance variants reinforce that this is no ordinary luxury SUV. Step inside, and the X8 becomes a completely different experience. The cabin feels more like a luxury lounge than a car interior. BMW uses high-end materials everywhere, from soft-touch leather and Alcantara to real wood, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum trims. The dashboard is clean and modern, dominated by BMW's curved display that seamlessly blends the digital instrument cluster and the central infotainment screen. Ambient lighting runs across the cabin with customizable colors, creating a calm yet futuristic atmosphere, especially at night. The seats are wide, deeply cushioned, and fully adjustable with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, making long journeys feel effortless. Rear passengers are treated like VIPs with generous legroom, premium upholstery, and optional individual captain seats that turn the back row into a business class experience. Technology is one of the biggest highlights of the 2026 BMW X8. The latest iDrive system is faster, smarter, and more intuitive, offering voice control that actually understands natural language. You can control navigation, climate, music, and even vehicle settings just by speaking. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a high-end surround sound system that delivers concert-like audio quality. A large head-up display projects essential information directly onto the windshield, keeping your eyes on the road. Advanced driver assistance systems are everywhere, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, and automated parking, making the X8 feel confident and relaxed in both city traffic and on highways. Under the hood, the BMW X8 offers a range of powerful engine options designed to satisfy both performance lovers and luxury-focused drivers. The base models are expected to feature refined, turbocharged, six-cylinder engines that deliver smooth acceleration and strong torque for everyday driving. Step up to the V8-powered variants, and the X8 transforms into a performance beast, offering explosive acceleration that feels surprising for an SUV of this size. BMW's mild hybrid technology improves efficiency while providing instant power when needed. Power is sent through an advanced all-wheel drive system that constantly adjusts to road conditions, ensuring maximum grip and stability whether you're cruising on the highway, tackling mountain roads, or driving in rain or snow. On the road, the BMW X8 feels composed and confident. Despite its size, it handles with precision thanks to adaptive air suspension and optional rear-wheel steering, which makes tight turns easier and high-speed driving more stable. Comfort mode delivers a smooth, floating ride perfect for long journeys, while sport mode sharpens throttle response, steering, and suspension for a more engaging drive. It's the kind of SUV that can quietly glide through city streets one moment and aggressively attack open roads the next, all without compromising comfort. Safety is another strong point of the X8. BMW has packed it with the latest safety technology, including multiple airbags, advanced collision detection, blind spot monitoring, and night vision assistance on higher trims. The structure of the vehicle is designed to absorb impacts efficiently, giving both the driver and passengers a strong sense of security. What truly sets the BMW X8 apart is its unique position in BMW's lineup. It sits above the X7 in terms of style and exclusivity, offering a more emotional and design-focused alternative without sacrificing space or comfort. It's made for buyers who want something rare, bold, and unmistakably premium, a vehicle that turns heads at 5-star hotels and still feels powerful and confident on the open road. In simple terms, the 2026 BMW X8 is not just about getting from point to point B, it's about how you feel while doing it. It combines luxury, technology, performance, and design in a way that few SUVs can match. If you want an SUV that looks like the future, drives like a sports machine, and pampers you like a luxury sedan, the BMW X8 might just be the ultimate expression of modern BMW excellence.